Fluid mechanics is the branch of physics concerned with the mechanics of fluids and the forces acting upon them. It can be divided into fluid statics, that is the study of fluid at rest, and fluid dynamics, the study of effect of forces on fluid motion. Altogether, they are called as fluid mechanics. So in this section, we will deal with certain important questions pertaining to fluid mechanics. As such, what is boundary layer? What is the difference between path line and stream line? What is a Newtonian fluid? What are the differences between elbows and bend? What is the function of a butterfly valve and many more?